In a world where data is your most valuable asset, how do you keep it safe without slowing down your business? Welcome to Microsoft Fabric Security. In this course, we aren't just talking about firewalls and passwords. We're building a modern, end-to-end secure data platform. We'll show you how to master the SaaS Revolution, turn identity into your strongest perimeter, and use Microsoft Purview to govern your data with surgical precision. From protecting the network pipes to responsible AI, you're about to learn how to turn complex security into a competitive advantage. Let's get started. For years, we protected data by sanctifying the machine room, physical locks, and manual hardware firewalls. But the cloud changed everything. We've moved from IaaS, where you still manage the virtual machines, through PaaS, where you manage the database but not the server, finally reaching the summit, SaaS, with platforms like Microsoft Fabric. In this SaaS world, the plumbing is handled for you. No more patching servers or managing physical hardware. You focus entirely on your business logic and your data. However, security is a partnership. Under the shared responsibility model, Microsoft secures the cloud itself, the data centers and software, while you are responsible for security in the cloud. That means you control who has access, how data is classified, and how it's protected. By working together, we ensure your most valuable assets stay safe. In the past, security was like a castle. If you were inside the office building and behind the firewall, you were safe. But in today's world of remote work and mobile devices, the office walls have disappeared. Now, identity is the new perimeter. At the heart of this shift is Microsoft Entra ID, the foundation for a zero-trust strategy. The rule is simple. Never trust, always verify. Every time someone tries to access your data, they must prove who they are. We do this using powerful tools like multi-factor authentication, MFA, which requires a second form of ID, like a phone code. We also use conditional access, which acts as an automated bouncer. It checks the vibe of the request, asking questions like, is this a company-managed device? Is the user in an approved country? Only when the rules are met does the door open. While identity is our main gatekeeper, we still need to protect the actual paths your data travels. Think of network security as protecting the pipes. Microsoft Fabric is secure by default, with all traffic encrypted, but for many organizations, we need to build even tighter private tunnels. We do this through inbound and outbound protection. Private links act like a direct private pipe from your office to Fabric, bypassing the public internet entirely. Trusted workspace access ensures your data storage only talks to authorized workspaces, while managed VNets create an isolated computing bubble to keep your heavy-duty data tasks safe from outside leaks. Finally, for the data still sitting on servers in your own office, we use the on-premises data gateway. This is your secure bridge. It creates a one-way tunnel that allows the cloud to safely ask for data without you having to poke dangerous holes in your local firewall. It's all about keeping the data moving without ever exposing the pipes. In Microsoft Fabric, we have one lake. Think of it as one drive for your data. It brings all your information into one place, which is incredibly powerful. But it also means we need to be very smart about who can see what. You wouldn't want the HR department accidentally seeing payroll files just because they're in the same lake. To handle this, we use granular access control. It's a multi-layered system. First, we have workspace roles, where you're assigned a job like admin or viewer. Next, we have item-level permissions, allowing you to share a specific report without giving away the keys to the whole room. Finally, for the ultimate precision, we use OneLake data access roles. This includes role-level security, which ensures a manager only sees data for their specific region, and column-level security, which can hide sensitive details like a social security number, even if a user can see the rest of the table. It's all about providing exactly the right access to the right people. Security isn't just about stopping hackers. It's about managing and governing the data itself. Microsoft Purview is the governance engine that sits on top of Fabric to help you discover, classify, and protect your most sensitive information. Think of sensitivity labels as digital top secret stamps. When you apply a label like highly confidential, that protection follows the data everywhere. If a user exports a protected report to an Excel file, that file remains encrypted and secure, even outside of Fabric. Then there is data loss prevention, or DLP. This acts as an automated lookout. If someone tries to upload a document containing thousands of credit card numbers to a public area, DLP can automatically step in to block the action and alert an administrator. Finally, we have the human element with Copilot AI. While Microsoft ensures your data stays within your organization and is never used to train global models, responsible AI still requires a human touch. You must always verify AI-generated results for accuracy before using them to drive business decisions. Security isn't just about stopping hackers. It's about managing and governing the data itself. Microsoft Purview is the governance engine that sits on top of Fabric to help you discover, classify, and protect your most sensitive information. Think of sensitivity labels as digital top secret stamps. When you apply a label like highly confidential, that protection follows the data everywhere. If a user exports a protected report to an Excel file, that file remains encrypted and secure, even outside of Fabric. Then there is data loss prevention, or DLP. This acts as an automated lookout. If someone tries to upload a document containing thousands of credit card numbers to a public area, DLP can automatically step in to block the action and alert an administrator. Finally, we have the human element with Copilot AI. While Microsoft ensures your data stays within your organization and is never used to train global models, responsible AI still requires a human touch. You must always verify AI-generated results for accuracy before using them to drive business decisions. In this final summary, we see how all the pieces of a secure data platform fit together. We started with the paradigm shift, moving from physical servers to a shared responsibility model in the cloud. We recognized that identity is the new perimeter, using Microsoft Entra ID and Zero Trust to verify every user. We then protected the pipes with network security, ensuring data travels through private encrypted tunnels. Finally, we looked at data governance, using OneLake and Purview to ensure that only the right people see the right data, while keeping everything auditable and resilient. Together, these layers create an end-to-end secure platform that allows you to innovate with confidence.